What's the meaning of circulate? Circulate. Circulate.
Circulate. Circulate. The word circulate refers to the act of moving or passing something through a specific path or system. When something is circulating, it is typically being distributed or shared among individuals or groups. For example, a circular document might circulate around an office for multiple people to review and sign. In general, the goal of circulation is to ensure that important information or resources are widely distributed and accessible. By circulating something, we can promote greater understanding, collaboration, and engagement within a given community or organization.